If Def Leppard made a shave ice, what would it say? Pour some flavor on me. The Tropical Sno flavors, combined with the quality ice, make Tropical Sno's distinct product. Pouring the flavor is a major part of the customer experience and makes the shaved ice gourmet. It's important to do it correctly so every bite has just the right amount of flavor. To begin, you need to switch out your white bottle cap for a blue pour spout. Hold the shave ice with your non-dominant hand with your pinky finger on the bottom of the cup. Pour the flavor directly down the center of the ice until it reaches the bottom of the cup. In time, you'll be able to feel that with your pinky finger. You should move the cup, not the bottle. If you don't pour enough flavor, then by the end of the cup, your customer will be left eating plain snow. If you pour too much flavor, then by the end, it will be a soupy mess. A good way to practice and train your employees is to weigh the shaved ice after the flavor is poured. That way you can learn and train yourself to make a consistent product. Pouring cream topping is simple and it adds the perfect complement to your shaved ice. You pour some down the middle and then douse the top. Delicious. One flavor is great, but you know what's twice as good? 2 flavors. Luckily, it's not twice as hard. You can pour concoctions however it tickles your fancy. The main thing to remember is not to get carried away. It's easy to oversaturate. To do a 3-flavor concoction, it's simple. Just do the math. Pour the flavors only 1/3 as much as usual and be careful not to oversaturate the ice. No matter how many flavors you add to the shaved ice, it should have the same amount of flavor in total and weigh the same. Famous since the days of Noah, the rainbow is a classic treat. It is much easier to pour 3 flavors than 6, so what you do first is pour yellow down the middle. Then you pour red on one side, trying not to spill, and blue on the other. And then suddenly, a magical rainbow appears. Pouring is the best part of the job, so get creative and have fun.